God willing, through this video, we will learn about the specifications, contents of the case and the price of the new Nokia 225 4G phone released in 2024. Follow us to the end and let's get to the details. Welcome back. In principle, please support you like the video and subscribe to the channel. What is important is to start with the date of the announcement and release of the phone in the market. The phone was announced on April 30, 2024. It was released in the market on May 8, 2024. The phone supports two 4G SIM cards. Nano SIM. Supports FM radio with built-in stereo. The phone also supports the headphone jack. The length of the phone is 121.5 mm, the width is 52 mm. The back and frame of the phone are plastic. S30 Plus operating system. Screen. It comes from a 2.4-inch TFT LCD with QVGA quality with a resolution of 240 by 320 pixels, and the colors are good. Processor. It comes from Unisoc T107 with 22 nanometers manufacturing technology. RAM and internal and external memory. The phone comes with a 64 MB RAM with 128 MB memory. It supports the installation of a memory card up to 32 GB. Camera. 0.3 megapixel rear with LED flash and supports video shooting. There is no front camera. Battery. With a capacity of 1450 mAh, it can be removed, and the Type-C charging port. Colors. Phone colors rosy dark blue. The contents of the box. Phone battery Type-C charger quick start guide warranty certificate. Priced. World phone price $74. It should be noted that the price may vary by increase or decrease depending on the country or markets. Each country has its economic conditions. In the end, if you like the video, do not skimp on our support. Click like and subscribe to the channel and do the bell to receive more, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you in a new video.